Did you know that banana peels can be turned into delicious, nutritious baked goods? A recent study has shown that when banana peels are blanched, dried, and ground into flour, they can be used to make tasty treats that are just as good, if not better, than traditional wheat-based products. Not only is using banana peel flour safe, but it also offers numerous health benefits. Enriched with banana peels, baked goods contain more fiber, magnesium, potassium, and antioxidant compounds. They even have cancer-fighting nutrients, making them a healthy and delicious option. In addition to the health benefits, products made with banana peel flour have an extended shelf life, lasting up to 3 months at room temperature. The study also suggests that banana peel flour can be used in breads, cakes, and pasta, offering a versatile and sustainable ingredient for various recipes. Around 40% of a banana's weight is in its peel, and by utilizing it, we can make the most of this nutrition-packed skin and contribute to reducing food waste. So the next time you peel a banana, consider the potential of the skin. It's not just waste, it's a valuable ingredient for creating something truly awesome.